Hello friends, welcome back to our channel CHAK with Knowledge. This is the only channel where you get all the important updates about banking. So friends, today we will discuss BEFI recent circular on pension matter. So be with me till the end of the video to know all the updates. Let's start the video. All India Demand Day on 17th of November 2022. The Central Committee meeting of BEFI held on 14 and 15 October 2022 at Kolkata decided to observe All India Demand Day on 17 November 2022 on following demands: scrap NPS, extend defined benefit pension scheme to all, pension updation and improvement of pension scheme. Subsequent to introduction of NPS for central government employees since 2004, followed by several state governments, the IBA insisted to introduce NPS for bank employees during 9th bipartite settlement. Ultimately, NPS was introduced for newly recruited bank employees with effect from 1st of April 2010. Since introduction, the Confederation of Central Government Employees and All India State Government Employees Federation are incessantly opposing NPS, organizing movement, including strikes demanding its withdrawal. The joint platform of central trade unions and independent federations also made this an issue in their movement, including general strike for more than a decade. Immediately after agreeing in 9th bipartite settlement to introduce NPS in the banking sector, the unions, associations, while submitting common charter of demands for 10th bipartite settlement, demanded for discontinuation of the scheme for obvious reasons. The demand was reiterated in charter of demands for 11th bipartite settlement also. During discussion for 10th and 11th settlement, the IBA took an indifferent attitude to negotiate the issue with right perspective. In the meantime, as many as 3 state governments, namely Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Punjab, announced for discontinuation of NPS for their employees and restoration of old pension scheme with retrospective effect. Observance of Demand Day for discontinuation of NPS and extension of defined benefit pension scheme for all bank employees recruited since 1st of April 2010. Ever since enactment of Bank Employees Pension Regulation 1995, basic pension of the bank employees officers has not been updated during last almost 3 decades. In the meantime, as a result of decade-long struggle and scientific actuarial calculation at the initiative of BEFI, another option for pension was agreed in 9th bipartite settlement with cost sharing by the beneficiaries, both working and retired. After another decade of struggle, the bankers submitted to the demand for enhancement of family pension, which was agreed in principle by IBA during the negotiation for 11th bipartite settlement and subsequently implemented. Since quite long time, all the unions, associations, including those of the retirees, are demanding for pension updation. Several industry-level strikes have also been organized demanding, among others, updation of pension. A good number of retirees, disillusioned with inhuman attitude of IBA in this regard, approached the court of law. One of the retiree forum obtained bank-wide statistical data from almost all the public sector banks to Right to Information Act 2005 to facilitate actuarial calculation, but to no avail so far. The issue of pension updation was discussed during the negotiation of 11th bipartite settlement. At some point of time, IBA agreed to share data for actuarial calculation to a certain financial load. Later, true to its own character, it backtracked and refused to modify the BEPR 1995, which is essential for pension updation. On the contrary, IBA offered for ad hoc increase, that too in phases. Several deputations to IBA as well as Ministry of Finance, including the Union Finance Minister, have been undertaken by different organizations and individuals without any positive result as yet. The demand has become more relevant after pension revision has been effected for the employees officers of RBI in 2019. Any ad hoc improvement as per proposals of IBA will be grossly injudicious. Several improvements in the pension scheme are in the demands for several years, like reducing the period for restoration of commutation and eligibility for full pension, increase of basic pensions for super senior citizens like central government, etc. The IBA in the 11th bipartite settlement rejected the demands as it is inclined to modify the BEPR 1995. Hence, observance of demand day of scrapping of NPS, OPS for all, pension updation and improvement of pension schemes suitably modifying the BEPR 1995. We call upon our units and affiliates to take necessary initiatives so that All India Demand Day is observed in all the branches offices by our members by displaying posters, banners and wearing badges on 17th of November 2022. The state federations are also advised to print posters and badges, preferably in vernacular, in good numbers for distribution as per specimen attached. So friends, this is the BEFI circular on pension matter. So if you have any question or suggestions, you can ask me in comment section or you can mail me also. And for more important videos like this, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. So see you in the next video. Thank you.